Alaikum. Viewers, in today's video we are going to discuss about DCT. DCT basically stands for Discourse Completion Test, or it can also be abbreviated as Discourse Completion Task. So different scholars have different views about DCT, that it is also a task, and on the same side, in the same aspect, it is also a task. Actually, this task or test is uh, given by the researchers to the target language learners. So coming towards DCT, that what DCT is. It was first introduced by Blum Kolka in 1982. It was introduced by this Blum Kolka in 92, for which purpose? To understand the speech acts. That what are speech acts? No, the basic purpose of this DCT is used to find or evaluate the pragmatic competence or sociolinguistic competence of the target language learners. DCT is basically used in researches related to language, and specifically in finding or evaluating the sociolinguistic competence or pragmatic competence. Majority of the research has used DCT, but it is again on the another side, it is used for finding or evaluating speech acts. As I already told you, that it is a tool that is used for by the researchers to find or evaluate the pragmatic or socio-linguistic competence. They give the target language learners a specific environment, a specific situation, and the learners are observed that how they tackle with that specific situation or specific environment in order to make their language complete, or in order to make their communication complete. So it is also used to study different speech acts. Speech acts are of different kinds, like Tolsborg has different speech acts. Those are six speech acts. Some of them are speech act of apology, speech act of complaint, or speech act of warning, etc. A discourse completion task is a tool used in linguistics and pragmatics to elicit particular speech acts. So it is used in linguistics and pragmatics, and even in social linguistics. In social linguistics, to elicit or to take a particular speech act, that what is the outcome of that particular speech act. For example, the target language learners are given or observed in a specific situation, where they are observed in order to get their intentions, to get their language, to get their responses according to the situation, that in that specific situation, what the target language learners do, or how they behave in that specific situation. A DCT consists of one-sided role play containing a situational prompt which a participant will read to elicit the responses of another participant. It means that it is a one-sided role play. One side in the sense that it is only played by the participant. Participant imagines himself that if he is the participant, or if he is another participant. I will give you the example of this situation. For example, if if I am using a DCT, discourse completion task or discourse completion task, for a purpose to get the social linguistic competence or pragmatic competence of the target language learners. So I have a situation in which a teacher give gives the book to his student, in order to, when the student asks for the book to get some help or get the suggested topic from the books, the teacher gives him lend his book to his students, but the student returns the same book next day with some rotten pages, or the some pages are distorted, or the book is not in its original form. So what the participant or what the teacher will reply, how he will complain, or how he will warn his student, how he will get apology from his students, or how the student will apologize. So in this situation, the participant thinks that the participant or the target language learners put himself in another situation, in this situation he takes himself as a teacher, that what will I do in this situation. So this response of the teacher is recorded in DCT. DCT is learner's ability to use target language. It is actually the target language learner's ability to use the target language, that how they use the target language. It is consisted on certain situations, and the respondents are requested to complete the discourse by following the directions. As I already told you, that it is consisted on the certain situations, and the respondents are requested to complete the discourse by following the directions. The respondents are put in, or they are imagined to be in a certain or specific environment in which they are observed. So they are recorded, they are observed, that what will be their responses in that specific environments. In Urdu we can say that discourse completion is a डिस्कोर्स कंप्लीशन टेस्ट या डिस्कोर्स कंप्लीशन टास्क एक टास्क है या एक टेस्ट है, जिसमें हम टारगेट लैंग्वेज यूज़र्स को रखते हैं ओरिजिनल सिचुएशंस या इमेजिनरी सिचुएशन में। फॉर एग्जांपल टीचर की मिसाल मैंने दी है, एक टीचर अपने स्टूडेंट्स को अपने एक स्टूडेंट को बुक देता है कि आप इसे असाइनमेंट लिख लो या आप इसे हेल्प ले लो। सो इन द नेक्स्ट डे द स्टूडेंट कम्स विद द सेम बुक। टीचर उससे कहता है कि ये बुक मुझे रिटर्न कर दे, लेकिन स्टूडेंट क्या करता है, वो बुक रिटर्न करता है, लेकिन उसमें कुछ पेजेस ख़राब होते हैं, कुछ पेजेस पाड़ देता है। सो देन टीचर का रिस्पॉन्स क्या होगा? टीचर डिफरेंट स्पीच एक्ट्स यूज़ करेगा। आइदर ही विल कंप्लेन, ही विल अपोलोजाइज, ही विल वार्न द स्टूडेंट, या ही विल हैव द स्पीच एक्ट ऑफ अनॉयंस। तो ये डिफरेंट स्पीच एक्ट्स हैं कि वो कैसे अभी इस सिचुएशन में अपने स्टूडेंट को ट्रीट करेगा, या वो कैसे सिचुएशन में बिहेव करेगा। सो दैट इज़ अ ये सिचुएशन हमें कौन देता है? दैट गिव्स अस अ डीसीटी। डीसीटी ये एक टूल है फॉर कलेक्टिंग द डेटा, दैट हाउ टू ऑब्जर्व द एबिलिटी ऑफ टारगेट लैंग्वेज लर्नर. So that was all about DCT discourse completion task or discourse completion task. Thanks for watching. If you have any problem, or if you have any question, or if even you have a good suggestions regarding DCT, you can put your worthy comments in the comment box. Thank you.